Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Echoing President Bongbong Marcos's leak text message kung saan kanyang sinabi na hindi ganoon kaimportante si Sara at mas mabuting pagtuunan ng House of Representatives at Senado ang pagpapabuti ng kalagayan ng Pilipino kaysa impeachment.
Stop the filing of impeachment?
Well, it was actually private communication, but nalik na, yes. Because that's really my opinion. This is not important. This does not make any difference to even one single Filipino life. So why waste time on it? What will happen if somebody files an impeachment? It will tie down the House, it will tie down the Senate. It will just take up all that, and for nothing. For what? For nothing. For nothing.
I won't be surprised if this is also in cooperation with Marcos kasi they know this will do little to quell the public backlash against Duterte as a sort of mema para masabing pinoprotektahan niya to the last si Duterte. Now, I'm not here to argue theology. What I'm interested in is the backlash na natanggap ng Iglesia, especially online with the liberal left, conservatives against Duterte's antics, and even atheists. Kasi they keep screaming freedom of religion, freedom from religion, at separation of church and state. We have to remember that these are the very same people who also cheered when Cardinal Sin mobilized and called to arms the Catholic faithfuls for EDSA 1 and 2, holding their hands up triumphantly to reject the undesirable precedents, in quotes, of yore.